Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using some of these plank wood pieces from Dollar Tree. I'll be using 5 of them. 2 of them I paint with Dusk color chalk paint, another 2 with Plaster color chalk paint, and those are both by Waverly. And the 5th one I'm painting with Steel Gray acrylic paint by Folkart. And then took 2 of these 12-inch stir sticks that I got from Amazon and painted them with that steel gray color. And then take the pieces of plank wood and alternate the colors, staggering the heights of them throughout. And then I take the stir sticks, place them on the back, and hot glue them into place. Next, I'll be taping down these 2-inch letters. They came from Amazon, and painting them with a mix of true navy and black acrylic paints. I painted the fronts and sides of those. And then once those are completely dry, I place them on the plank wood, getting them set how I want them before gluing them down. To glue them down, I'm taking tacky glue and brushing it on the backs of each of those. I like using tacky glue a lot because once I have them set on there, I can move them and arrange them before that glue sets. And then just use my heat tool to make sure that glue is fully dry. And then take some gray and white twine, that's from Dollar Tree. I hot glue a piece of it to the back, so it'll be on the left-hand side of my sign. Wrap it around a bunch of times until it's the thickness I want. And then once I have it how I want it, I hot glue the remaining twine on the back, cutting off the excess. I then take those pieces of twine and space them out, creating a little bit of space in between each one. And then I take another piece of that same twine and tuck it underneath, and then more towards the top of the sign so it's not centered, I pull that nice and tight and cut off the excess. Then take this starfish that I got from Dollar Tree. It came off a piece of garland and hot glue that. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.